Alrighty, so welcome to the channel. As you can see, it's a different view today because we're doing things that regards these lovely little stubs, my hands. So I am going to, today on Try It Tuesday, I'm going to try to do my nails at home. So make sure you continue to watch so you can see the progress. Oh, hello. So as you can see, the view is different. That's because today we're going to focus on these lovely tools that I have called my nails, my finger. Okay, so fingers. So I'm going to paint my nails today at home. So main point, I want to save some money. Second point, I don't have time to go to the nail salon. I work every single day and I'm trying to just be frugal. Okay, so I have some tools here that I am going to show you, okay, that I will be using in this process. All right, so let's just go ahead and let me get into it. So for this nail kit that I have, it's this one here. Alrighty, okay. I'm gonna need a filer, okay. The nail glue, this is the brand that I am using, okay. It comes in this. All of this you can possibly find at many stores. I'm going to be using some of this as well. These right here. Take a screenshot if you need to. Hand sanitizer to clean up the areas. Nail polish remover. Cuticle oil. Okay. What else? I think that's really it. I have some extra nails here. And then this right here as well, just in case. The best thing you're gonna need afterwards, nail polish. Nail polish. I have a huge collection of nail polish. This is just one set. One day I will do a video, maybe sometimes this month, of just my nail polish collection. It's crazy. I got this lovely container and you can see it's nails. See, look at that. Cute. So yeah, so we'll be selecting a color from here after the nails are onto my lovely little, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. All right. First thing you want to do is clear up your space because you do not want anything to be on your hands. So I'm going to put away my water. Put the nails. Put everything to the side. And all we're going to do is use this space here. Okay. Your nail polish remover into the container. Okay. Put it into your container and then it's all soaked up. I'm gonna put the rest of the cotton rounds that I have in here. All right, so see that? Okay, cool. All right, once you've done that, you're gonna take some of this and you're gonna clean your nails. Clean it up. Clean it up. Okay? Clean up your nails. If you want also at this moment, you can cut your nails if they're too long. Mine My nails are not super long. And this is only gonna last for, let's say, about a week. I don't want it, you know, for too long. All right, put that to the side. Might need it later. All right, if you need to file down your nails a little bit. I am going to file a little bit. Okay, once you're done filing your nails or cutting your nails, you're now gonna select the size for each one of your nails, your nail, and see which one fits perfectly. So it's weird because this one that I just picked fit perfectly for my thumb. So I am going to put this one on the side, and I will need 2 of the same sizing. So I am just lucky today. So I picked up 2 of the same sizes. Okay, one is gonna go to my right, one is for my left hand. All right, so I have 5 here and 5 there. Okay, I really don't know if you can see this right now, but let's just continue. So the next step that you're going to do, hopefully you're keeping up with the step. We might be on step number 3 right now. So you're gonna take the nail glue, you're gonna apply it on your nail as if it's nail polish. You're gonna grab the acrylic nail as well and apply it on the acrylic nail. So a good amount. Apply a good amount. Then you grab it and you put it onto your nail. Press on it so all the bubbles are cleaned up. Press on it, press on it. Okay, I'm pressing on it. Okay, and there you go. That's the first. So yeah, I'm pressing on the nail so that it sticks on. And while I'm doing that, the other ones are drying up.
The other ones are drying up as well. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, the first time I went to the nail salon, one thing that I thought was gonna be super expensive.
Trick here, when you're doing this, is for you to press down so that the bond holds a little bit faster and stronger, and then you're somewhat molding the nail to your nail. And I really should have done my dominant hand first, to be honest. I should have just did my dominant hand. I like to put some glue. I like to put some glue in areas that I feel like have gaps. Because if you want it to last for a week, that's going to be an issue down the line. Okay. Cool. So now we can put away the nail glue for now. Keep it around for the whole week, just in case one of them, sometimes they decide to be disrespectful and they want to pop off. So that's why I said this is cute for one night, or like one week. 1 week would be good. So then you want to take both and just press them together. Press and press. Press and press. Press. Okay. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so what I'm going to do next is clean it up. Okay, grab my next sponge. This one is a little soak. Just clean it up, clean up the area. Clean it up, clean it up. Clean it up. I gotta shake up the nail. All right, so I picked two colors. They're by the same people. This is one. And then this is the other one. Shinier, so one of them, either the middle is gonna be this color, or I'm gonna do a mixture. And then this is the top coat. Rainy, look at this, look at that, look at it. It's cute. On it, fan on it. Let it dry up. Let it dry up. I'm gonna grab some of this with the nail polish remover so I can start cleaning up the areas. All right. I'm gonna put on the top coat and then just let it all dry, and that will be it, guys. As you can see, it was all done at home with tools that can be found anywhere. Does not need to be fancy, but if you're really good at doing nails, then yes, invest in the tools and get a lot more into it. I definitely enjoy having a lot of nail polishes. Wouldn't that be a really good idea if you could take your own nail polish to the nail salon? What do you guys think about that? Especially if you have a whole bunch. Like, why can't I just take my nail polish that I like to the nail salon and I don't have to pick colors that I don't like? Because sometimes you're stuck with the options that they have there, and you might not like it at all. You might not like their colors, and you're already there. You have to pick from that, right? What do you think about that? Do you think you should just take your own nail polish to the nail salon? They still get paid. Doo-doo-doo. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you for going through this process with me on Try It Tuesday with Ms.Kadi K. Check us out next week on Try It Tuesday. You never know what I will be trying, what I will be doing, and showing you guys how to do or learning myself. Today, you mainly just saw my hands. Hopefully, you enjoy this video. Send it to someone. Even if you don't do nails or you don't care about nails, share it with someone that's trying to be frugal and save up and not have to go to the nail salon anytime soon, and they can save on time and, you know, money, and still it be cute for a week or 2 weeks. And if you get tired of it, you just pop them off, right? You don't have to worry about it because you didn't have to pay extra money. Make sure you hit that subscribe button hit the thumbs up, right? And also share to those that might learn from this. And I'll see you on the next Try It Tuesday. All right, bye-bye.